Want to stay at Turtle Bay on a budget? Want to find out which room to book and the best view you could get? You want to find out about the room review? Stay here, watch till the end for some pro tips on this short video. We're here at Turtle Bay. We are in room 524 on the south wing. This is an incredible place on the North Shore. Well, there are 3 different views that you could see. There is the east, west, and the south. We are in the south wing, which is the best because you get the sunset, you get the pool, you get the ocean, and you get some of the beach. The other 2 are nice, but one shows you the ocean only and the other one shows you mountains. This is the one I would request the most. So stay here and join us through our adventure in Turtle Bay. Welcome to Turtle Bay's newly renovated Ocean View lobby. So we are here and it is so open air and the vibe is so cool. Totally different than the last 2 years ago when before they did the remodel, it's very gray and they have really open aired it with all the new windows.
Okay, so how do you get to stay at Turtle Bay and have this view? You trade in your Marriott points. About a month ago, this became a Ritz-Carlton, which is connected to Marriott. So up until now, you were never able to stay here with Marriott points. That's how we stayed here for free. Trade your Marriott points in.